One of the most popular gift ideas is a cashmere scarf, a real beautiful cashmere scarf. This is one that is handmade in Nepal. It is beautiful for women or men, so it's the perfect gift. It's one size fits all. It's a great size. You can just wear it straight down. You can knot it. You can use it as a filler, whatever you want to do. But this is 4 gorgeous colors. So we have light gray, which is beautiful kind of ivory and grays. Then we have regular gray, which is gray and cream. We have the deep charcoal, which is a tonal, kind of 2 really, really deep grays together. And then we have the brown, which is of course a brown and ivory. 4 gorgeous colors. Beautiful, full-size, gorgeous 100% cashmere scarf. There is nothing better for the holidays.